Hi, here's another quick video on the ILT 2014 conference app, and my name is Amanda Hartman. I'm one of the members of the Spectronics consultancy team. And the next thing we're going to look at really quickly within our ILT 2014 conference app is how you set up your account and profile settings. So let's go and open the app and check it out. So here we are in the main page. Now to go in to look at the stuff on the conference, you just click on the ILT conference bar there, and we go in, and there we are looking at it where we can look at our event guide. But what we actually want to do is we're going to click on our username up the top there. I have already logged in, which you've already seen me do a couple of times now. If not, remember that you just log in with your username and the password that you've created for yourself. And I just want to show you the two tabs here, your account and your profile. So first of all, let's click on the first cog there, the account, and let's look at our account settings. These are just basic account settings that you may want to change at some time. If you want to change your email address, your username, or even if you want to update your password. Okay, so that's an important thing if you do need to change your password at any time. But I don't foreseeably see that I'll need to change any of those things. There's that whole section down the bottom where we're connecting our social media accounts so that things are linked within the app. We're going to look at that in a little while. So let's click the Save the Changes. I didn't make any changes, or I could have said Done. Now the next thing, let's click up on the top bar again, and this time let's click the middle place, the profile. And the profile settings is important. So the first thing that you might want to do when you're in your profile settings is you might want to change your photo. So to do that, change the photo, you just click the little choose file button, and when I click on it, it tells me you can take a photo live with your camera, or you can choose an existing. So let's just choose an existing. Of course, to do that, it needs to access my photo, so I'm going to say okay to that. And then I'm going to scroll through and just pick up a photo of me there. So I have chosen a photo to set there. Now I just want to read the top bar of information to you so that you understand what it means about your profile. So this information appears on your public profile. Okay, so if you decide for your profile to be public, then the information that you put in here will be shared publicly. And when we say publicly, we mean with other users of the ILT 2014 app. You can choose and make contacts and networks within the app. Okay, if you choose to keep your profile private, then everything will be hidden unless you choose to share it with someone. So we're going to talk about that a little bit later. But that's what this set to private means here, where there's a tick at the top there where you can set to private. By default, it's set to private. So we're going to just leave it at private for now, and we'll look at making contacts with people and discuss that again in a different webinar. Okay, but we can add all our details here or change and update things. You can type in your company name where you work and your job title. I'm the window cleaner. And there are other details that you can fill in here, your address. So this is going to be a great place where you can update all of that information so that people can, have track of you, to keep in touch with you on your email or your website or whatever. So we've got all of those things here. And remember, we also have these live linking for social media and media accounts, which again we're going to look at later. So I'm going to click Save Changes. And hopefully it uploads that photo to my profile picture, and then you'll see I'll now have a photo attached to my profile. Okay, there I am. Okay, so now up the top there is the picture of me sitting on my computer. Okay, so all we did then is we went in and we looked at our account settings. That's fine. And we went into our profile and we updated our profile by adding a picture and by adding in some information for our work and our email, our addresses and stuff. And by doing all of that, we've now creating a profile that we can share with other people. So that was pretty fast and easy. How do you like it? Let's get out of here. If you've got another webinar to look at, then check it out. Thanks.